Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to another Amazon unboxing. In today's video I am unboxing these beautiful sets of reusable glass juice bottles. These bottles are perfect for fresh juices, smoothies, protein shakes, infused water, iced coffee, milk, and other homemade drinks. So the bottles features a glass design that looks clean, modern, and elegant, while making it easy to see what's inside. Those are the covers. They're great for storing drinks in the refrigerator, meal prepping for the week, or taking your favorite beverages on the go. So reusable glass bottles are also, it's like a great way to reduce plastic waste while keeping your drinks nice and fresh. So that's what the bottles looks like. I hope you enjoy this quick unboxing and first look at these beautiful bottles. So thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.